Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little review on the Ballard EZ gate. I bought it in the beginning of this season, 2020, and it has been super beneficial for saving us, obviously, manual labor on lifting our gate numerous times a day, many times a day. So let's take a look. The installation process is actually pretty easy as well. We have that one main hole that I had to drill. That's for that big bolt there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's this bracket. So I counted, there's only 5 drill points that you have to make yourself on this EZ gate. It's got these simple brackets, and this stays on nice and tight. I put a washer on the bottom here. I didn't do one on the top because the width of this is not going to go through the hole that we drilled. It's perfectly fine. It's just a very simple mechanism here. This tube I can actually slide back, so it bumps up there, and you can see it's just looks like an industrial garage spring, like a garage door spring, and it's covered by this tube. And then I think yeah, let me see if you guys can see it in there. There's like a PVC tubing as well, so it appears that there's like double coverage with this aluminum coverage, and then the PVC pipe. Let me see if you can see the no, you can't see it from this side. You saw it from the other side, the PVC pipe in there. But very simple design, very neat design, clean approach to it. Oh yeah, wait, sorry guys, there's the 6th drill point that you have to do, which is through your gate. So there's the other big bolt. All the hardware comes included. This bracket here, you can see how the wire, the cable for the tension is just simply ran to the end of this right here, and then you pull that, and it's really easy. So guys, I'm gonna obviously put a couple videos of how easy this thing is to use. I've heard that it's explained that it takes 90% of the weight of the gate. I could fully agree with that. 90% seems logical. This gate here on this 7x12 trailer is pretty heavy when you're working all day long. So to have 90% of that gate taken off, you can just flick your foot up on the bottom of the gate, comes right up, you lock in, and you're ready to go on to the next one. And guys, it is really that simple and quick. So anyways, guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your lawn care community friends, and make sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.